Hey agency leaders, I'm TCB, Director of Sales and Marketing at Conduit Digital, and today we're talking about one of the biggest challenges that we hear from agencies all the time, their limited scope and inexperience. Let's talk about how you can navigate these challenges in this episode of Conduit Currents. No agency wants to tell their clients no when they ask for specific services or want to expand their accounts. With limited scope, you could miss valuable opportunities to upsell current clients and may limit your ability to attract and retain desirable new ones. Limited scope can also be due to a lack of in-house expertise. Without an experienced marketer owning a specific channel that you need to scale, how can you overcome this challenge without straining your in-house resources? The simplest, most efficient, and most effective way to do this is to look beyond your office walls through a white label solution. But you need to find the right one. You could try a software platform, and they're handy in a pinch, but you also typically need someone with existing expertise to use them to their fullest potential. You could also try using a single channel vendor. But again, if you have bigger needs beyond that one channel, you could quickly run into further limitations. Or managing multiple vendors, which can quickly become chaotic because it's not easy to streamline. If overcoming scope limitations is your priority, joining forces with a white label partner is your best bet. With a white label ad operations team like ours at Conduit Digital, you can add a comprehensive suite of digital services to your agency offering through one single partnership. Not only will this help you stabilize your expenses and communication, but you can also expand your scope with the confidence that a team of expert marketers is in your corner, giving your clients the best performance possible for their agency investment. So, how do you choose the right white label partner? Here are some tips when you're looking for one. Make sure the partner can meet your needs. Do they have the right capabilities, pricing, and infrastructure to deliver what you need from the partnership? Make sure the partner has the right expertise. Can they deliver for your clients at the level that you require? Ask your partner where they source their work. Do they do it completely in-house, or is it offshored or outsourced to other providers? Make sure the partner is compatible. Do their processes align with how you work at your agency? Gauge their communication style. Do they have a process for communicating with your agency so that everyone can stay on the same page? Verify their confidentiality. Can they keep your partnership private or satisfy a non-disclosure agreement if you wish to maintain confidentiality? So does partnering with a white label ad operations team sound right for your agency? If so, consider becoming an agency partner with Conduit. At Conduit, we offer 17 digital channels through a single partnership for established and successful agencies in North America. Get ready to expand your scope and say yes to better opportunities at your agency. Thank you for checking out this episode of Conduit Currents. And if you want more insights for overcoming agency challenges, check out our insights page on our website for this topic linked below. If you're interested in talking more with us at Conduit about what it's like to work with a white label ad ops team, we'll also have a link that you can click on to start the conversation. Thanks for watching this episode of Conduit Currents, and we'll see you next time.